Hi everybody, it's YouTuber Woodward CSX. Again, we have a train right now. I don't know where. There it is. Yeah, this is a fixing the tracks. Tracks 1. There's the railroad. Yeah, you the comment, like, and subscribe for me? You're welcome. Wait till to find out. Oh, there he goes. We're placing new tracks right now. So like, subscribe. Alright. Thanks for watching. And look at this, a new track. There's an old place track. There's no train tracks over there. Hear the comments. Let me know what happened to the train tracks for the tracks number 1 or 2. Hear the comments, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. CSX is signing out.